Hi my loves, welcome back with me. As you can tell, I am in the car today and you are coming with me on, this is my third retie. Or fourth? I'll put the right one on the screen. I think it's my third. There's a bunch of reflection going on. It's making me look what I really look like. I really look good, you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm going to a new loctician today. Why? Because my loctician, I was supposed to get my retie done next week. My loctician is going to be out of town. And then originally we had other plans and then I was trying to reschedule. It was a mess. So I just told her, hey, do you have someone you can recommend to me that can help me do my hair? And she said, yeah, I have someone I know. This person lives a little bit close by and they can do it. And they're also certified, you know, loctician. So I was like, perfect. I'm going to this other person's house now, or to their place of business. I don't know if it's their house. I don't know if it's their house or their place of business, but either way, I'm fine with it. They are certified. I did look it up. I didn't see it, but I'm trusting my loctician because she is done a great job. So I trust her. Over there, you know, tell me if something's happening on the side and I don't see it. Put you in between my water bottle and my gearbox. So for now, hold on. What is it telling me to do? Am I staying on the express lane or Bags, where we go? Right. Okay, it's resetting. It's got itself together. My loctician is a little bit actually further away from this new loctician. I'm hoping this new loctician does a really good job with my hair. I have some sensitive, you know, nape stuff, so I hope, you know, they're really good with that. I'm sure they are if they're a certified loctician. Kind of washed it this morning because I don't want them to have a bad impression of me, and because I'm meeting someone new. You can tell I have eyeliner on. Yes, I do have eyeliner on because I like to make a first good impression. My hair is getting thicker, it is getting fuller. Obviously, if you look at some old videos, you can tell that my hair is now giving a little bit more life. It is giving a little bit more something. A breakout here, but I'm loving my hair, loving all that gives me. If you are on this journey too, comment, let me know how it's been going for you. Has there been any difficult parts? I haven't really had much difficult parts other than slippage in the front of my hairs, but it's not that big of a deal. I did get one once that was like knotted up, but it's in the back where it didn't get into like my shower cap. I pulled it through and it was fine. So yeah, for my retie, this is my third retie. This is with a different person. We did my retie. You can see here, this is a looser hair. It's not heat damage. I just have looser hair at certain places, and that one just stayed very loose with this one. Anyway, this is my third retie. I was mentioning to my fiance that I think it looks thicker. He said he doesn't see it, but it's okay because I think I see it because I watched my last video and I'm like, I see the difference. And also I feel like before I could see, like I would stand against like a background like this and you would be able to kind of see the wall more. Whereas now you have very little holes where you can, now I'm just waiting for the length. But yeah, I'm really still loving the journey. I would say this lady's hand is a little bit more tighter on my head. She's great. She took a little bit longer than my regular loctician. My regular loctician took like 2 to 2.5 hours. She took about 3.5 hours, like an extra hour. But I don't mind. It was a great home. She has a beautiful space. It was very relaxing. And if you get braids done, if you get your hair done in general, if you're a Black woman and you do any of this stuff to your hair, you've had tight hair. This is not that tight. It's just compared to my other loctician, it's tighter. I'm gonna take a nap so that I can wake up, record, and then edit. So who knows when in the morning. And that is it. Love you guys. Bye.
Love you guys.
Bye.